Welcome to another editions of today. Mine once again, GMG once again to every one of us. My name is Esine Sam, in which I will be sharing my live experience in this space of Web3. So I will start back in the days, that should be 2015. I joined this web space. Back then we do Web2, creating contents and a lot of more. And back when Web3 came in, I was introduced to many platforms like the Wave, CoinStore, in which is still in existence. We have Orichi, we have Renters, we have so many others. But today, did you know the out-blowing project that is actually changes everyone's life, in which is actually Anna? I joined Anna, that should be last month, as a Vanguard member. Imagine within a space of 1 month, I've been able to do a lot of projects for my own self. Why? Because I was passionate about it. I was not because of the money, but I was passionate about creating more real content about Anna. I'm passionate creating new, like the tweet, the article. I was passionate about it. I joined it because I saw what Anna carries. It's not because they are too good, because they are AI powered driven strategies and a native token in which they are driven. They are very smart, very efficiency. I joined it because there's also, I don't know what to say. And when I discovered the Anna bots, which work very smart and efficiency, once you deposit money in it, an AI will actually work automatically for you without human, machine, or every other thing. An AI will work automatically for you. I joined it last month, and can you imagine? I was by the special grace of God, I was fortunate to become the top position, in which they gave me 300 USDT plus the 700 ASRT. Thank you very much, Anna. I really appreciate you. Once again, follow Anna on Twitter, and thank you very much.